What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is bright and early this morning. We are in the white crew cab dually, and we are going to head over to my dad's to get the trailer to hook it up, and we're going to go rescue a car that I bought last night, and hopefully it's still there. Hopefully the guy ain't shafted me and sold the car to someone else. But wish us luck, guys. We're going to go get the trailer, try to see if this old truck will pull. I've never pulled with it, so it's going to be a new experience for me for this truck. So we'll see how that goes. See, hopefully that the vehicle that we bought ain't real heavy, hopefully, and it don't mash down the springs on my truck and hit my wheels to my fenders, because they stick out. Anyways, enough rambling. Let's get off here. We're going to go to my dad's, pick up the trailer, and head that way, and you'll see what kind of car it is when we get there, guys. See ya. All right, boys and girls, here it is. We got her loaded up. We didn't film down there where we got the vehicle at, because he kind of didn't want nobody to film down there. So I was like, that's cool, man. But we're sitting here at a Marathon gas station on up the road from where he's at, down here in the sticks of Kentucky. But I'll show you the car real quick. Here it is. All right, there you go, guys. 1955 Chevy. She's rusty, and I'll show you some more of that when we get home. But we're down here in the sticks of Kentucky, driving the old crew cab Chevy. You can see where we're at here, plumbing the boondocks. But we'll see you when we get home. And we got the car off the trailer. You can see the trailer and stuff here behind me. But we've started working on this car just a little bit, because some of the brakes are froze up on it, and that's what we're doing right now, is trying to get the brakes off. And you can see here she's and we got some pry bars stuck in her. We've been beating on her pretty good. We about got this brake drum. We just about got the brake drum off of it here, and then once we do that, we're going to remove the actual brake shoes, then stick it all back together, and she should roll freely, hopefully. But we got her to the house. We had to use the red crew cab to get it off there, but there it is, and we'll update you here in a minute. But we finally got it off. Here's your wheel cylinder. Here's your wheel cylinder. Then you got your spindle. Naturally out here, your backing plate. Then there's all the brake parts that was on there. The hub with the bearings. The bearings are pretty dry. We need to put some grease on it, but I'm not going to be driving this car. I'm just literally going to try to get it freed up where I can push it around, because it don't have a motor in it, which I'll show you that here directly. But got it back off, or got it off. We're going to throw it back together, throw the wheel back on it over here, and then move to the next one. All right, we're back here to this side. It's the passenger side rear wheel. You can see all the rust that's come out of this brake drum, and all the you might be able to see the shoes. Everything is rusty, but she turns now, so we'll get all this off. Throw that drum back on, bolt the wheel back up, be done with this side. We got it in its resting spot for now, anyways, until we get Dad's Mustang lined out and out of the garage. This will sit here, and then we'll put this in the garage and start working on it. But it is what it is. I mean, it's not much. It's got a lot of rust and a lot of junk in it. Extra door, which ain't very good, but it's got the glass and whatnot in it that we need, but that door's shot. but we'll use some of the glass out of it if it's any count. It's got the 55 only. You can come on out. 55 only. What are you, majiggers? All them little Chevrolet bow ties on the dash. Radio delete. Chrome. You always gotta have chrome on a car. It says Bel Air over there. I don't know if it is or not. I ain't ran the VIN yet. But she's been cut out. I don't know if they're gonna make a drag car out of her or what, but there it is. Beaut. Let me shut this door for my wife sees the rust. Worse than it is. She'll freak out. I ain't got no windows other than the front. Got the pretty good tail lights on it. Back bumper. Trunk don't shut. It's a jewel. It's beautiful. It's got a new trunk pan that's old and crusty, but it's new metal. So it's been in there a very long time. But it is a trunk pan for this car, so that's one good thing. Then we'll have to probably get inner and outer quarters, floors, full floor pan. The trunk lid she shot. Might be able to fabricate and some weld some stuff up to make it work for now anyways. But that's that side. I don't know if y'all have seen this side or not. This is the wheel we took off earlier. Got it all lined up, got it all back on. We'll have to get some stainless. It's just an old car. She's rough, but I always wanted a 55 Chevy. I mean, she still shuts good. Huh? Maybe not. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nope. There we go. Just don't mind the rust that fell out of it when I shut the door there. But there it is. Got the grill. Beautiful, iconic grill. I mean, it's rusty, but it's awesome. Blah blah blah, and this and that. You seen there, it didn't have a no motor or transmission. The guy kind of bit my radiator support, loaded it with a backhoe because the wheels was locked up. But that ain't no big deal. That's probably one of the cheaper things for this car. But there it is. So there it is. It's not perfect by any means. It's got good front fenders. The hood's okay. Front windshield's got some scratches in it. You know, the notorious old windshield wiper marks. The roof is good. Just about everything from, say, that trim right there up is fairly good. Trim down, not so much. The frame's pretty good. I haven't seen no holes and stuff in it that ain't factory. But like I said, I always wanted a 55 Chevy. And I found this one. I ain't gonna say what I gave for it, but I think it's a pretty good price for what it is. Not too far from the house, so I didn't have to drive very far. Drove the old heavy Chevy, the old Ghost white dually. Pick it up. She done good, pulled it good. Everything tracked good. We didn't have to worry about nothing. It was peachy. Everything went as planned. Went well. We got her back to the house, and that's where we're at now. So, guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll be updating you a little bit on this. I'm not going to be working on this a lot because I want to get my '69 Mustang fixed. So that's what I'm going to be primary working on after I get Dad's car done and out of there. I will put this in its spot, move the '69 out, and have it ready. We're going to be cutting on it. But you'll see stuff on this. Every now and then I might find a part or something that I'll show you. But I always wanted a 55, so I got one. Love it. So, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. You'll see some more stuff on this and the '69 and also the other trucks and junk that I work on. So we love each and every one of you guys. Thanks for subscribing, and we will see you on the next video.